the high pressure barometer. I don't know what this is called in English. And you see it goes up to 400 bars, but take care, the compressor will only withstand 300. So this is not an indicator for the maximum. It's just should be used until here. But the first step is here. Then you turn this three-way valve and you go to the second step up to 300 bars. And then there is this little fitting, which I have to fiddle in here right now. So I guess this is rather impossible. We will see. Yes, here we go. And then fiddle in this.
Thank you so much for watching. We have to make our living by what we do. We want you to be energy independent. Energy is a gift, and that's what we work for. The only thing we ask you is please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and push the bell notification button. If you want to see the full tutorial, you can watch it on the VOLKS-ELECTROLYZER community members area totally for free. You get access to the full electrolyzer mounting tutorial without commercials. You get the international hydrogen price list with all the components you need. Read the newest article and check out our explanatory pictures and schemes. You get the possibility to become a sales partner. Our shared experience and your knowledge is key to the VOLKS-ELECTROLYZER community. So please consider to become a member under v-electrolyzer.de.